Egg. Hot dog. Hey.
What are Indian snacks? And then we shared that I was responsible for.
Gatorade.
Yeah.
What a meal. Corn. Popcorn.
Oh yeah, but I thought this would be more
Cake.
friendly. I'm really working on my people. Wait a minute, you're telling me that there is an
Oh.